Hello and welcome to the Knife Nest. Today I have the Artisan Proponent. This one is the exclusive from Knife Center. One thing that makes it exclusive is it is in M390 steel. Very nice. It is about 10.8 ounces, so almost 11 ounces heavy. Opens great. Here's a frame lock. Has the titanium pocket clip there. It's got the thumb stud, but it's a lot easier to just flip it open like that. The blade is almost 4 inches. It's 3.85 inches. And you might be wondering what the little hole there in the middle is. Well, I'll show you here. In the case it comes with a little cloth there. And inside the case here, let's see, your warranty card, your limited edition silica pack. You know, you got to keep that. That's gonna be worth money someday. And here is the little pin. This little pin here, we'll screw in there. It is a little added security there to keep the knife from closing. There is a video that Outer Limitless did a few years ago with the S35 VN version of the Proponent, showing how you can chop through a little tree with this, you could baton with it. It's almost like a folding survival knife. And you can put this in the lanyard hole there if you wanted to carry it around with you. But if you want to carry a big chunk of a knife with you, you don't have to carry this. It just drops shut there. If I can get it here. And for $189, you can't beat this. I have always wanted a Medford Praetorian, and it's like, you know, I don't really want to spend $700-800 on one. I could, but why? I mean, this is pretty much just as good. I mean, M390 steel and the titanium frame, the size of it, the weight is almost identical to a full-size Praetorian. So if you want to save yourself some money, get one of these. I mean, it's a great trade-off. I mean, I looked at all the specs between this and the Praetorian, like, it's almost the same. All you're paying for is a name, basically. Definitely an awesome knife, though. And like I said, I'll put the link in the description for that video from Outer Limitless, showing some of the stuff he did with this knife, showing how strong it is. And I'll put a link for the where to get this Proponent from Knife Center. I'll put the link to Knife Center. They are still available. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And this is Tommy taking flight from the Knife Nest.